What's up, y'all? This your boy DCPRT, and today's video I'm going to be talking about technical analysis. So I've been getting questions about technical analysis. It's a term used based off of a lot of things. It's not just one thing. But I mean, you got price trends, you got chart patterns, you got volume, momentum, support and resistance levels, moving averages, such as like indicators and stuff like that. It's all kind of things that has something to do with technical analysis. I don't know if this is new traders asking these questions, or traders with a little experience, but I mean, everybody can learn from this. And people wondering how I draw my little arrows also, so I will be showing y'all that too. This helps the technical analysis also. So let's get into it. This is how one of my charts looks like on Thinkorswim. This is my primary chart that I keep telling everybody. Dash Trader is not my primary chart. I use Dash Trader with the time and sales. Like I put the Dash Trader time and sales over the Thinkorswim time and sales, because Thinkorswim time and sales sucks, but everything else is great. And that will be another video. I'll show y'all how I set it up or whatever like that. But let's get into the technical analysis. Okay, let's start off with support and resistance. That's like the main thing. So as y'all can see, as y'all can see, the yellow dotted lines, those are, basically showing it as a resistance level. This stock is having trouble crossing this yellow line. The reason why I got to draw it here, because I look at past history. Like I said, past history is also, part of technical analysis. As y'all can see, this yellow line goes all the way back to July, and look, the stock went up there, topped out, right? And then again, let me get it right here. See, it keeps topping out right here. So this is a major level right here that the stock cannot pass. So before this stock ran up like this, I already had this line drew right here. And look, today it's still topping out at that level. So that's a good way to know how to, for an entry, you can short right here, because it has trouble breaking this key level at like what, 350, 330 levels. And if it passes it, you can stop out. I mean, this is like one of the best entries you can have if you're going short, because this is a key level based off the history that is having breaking through this 1350 level. Let's go back even farther. Let's see if we have any trouble. See, even right here, same thing. It's around this level. See, came down, boom, right down to this level. So this 1350 level is a key level, and you can use that short. Or if it goes over it and come back down and it holds that level, you can consider that alone. So that's technical analysis for the support level, for the support and resistance levels. And also how to draw this line. You have to click this arrow right here, and you have a lot of options, right? So in order to get this dotted line, click this right here, this price level tool. Click it, and then you can draw it. Just click and click again. See? But how I got it dotted is like right click on it, right click on the line, and then go to edit properties, and you can choose your style. See, you can have it a straight line, a dotted, look like the dots on the road, and then you got the real dotted ones. So I like the real dotted ones because sometimes I draw trend lines, and I don't want to get confused. So I make it yellow, because my indicators are green, red, purple, and blue. So I make it yellow so I don't get it confused. So that's how you do it, and you can change the width also. You can make it thick or skinny. I keep it at 3. That's how you get those dotted lines. Or if you want a straight line, you can do it like that. But basically, that's what I use the lines for support and resistance levels. So that way you don't have to look all the way back through history and see what the price levels are. You want to do that early in the morning. Go ahead and do it. Put your lines together. That way you'll know where key support and resistance level is for today. So that's that. You got moving averages. Basically my indicators. You can go to dcprt.com to get those. You also got the chart patterns. This is one of my favorite tools. It's the chart patterns, the past history. Basically the same thing. Let me see if this is a prime example. Let me see. Heart. Nah, Jan. Let me do Jan. I got Jan right there. As y'all can see, Jan is crap. What do y'all see? It keeps repeating the same pattern. What do y'all see? It spikes big and it sells off. It goes right back where it came from. And y'all see this numerous times, right? Look at that. Every big spike, it sells off, right? So next time you see a big spike, what you gonna think? Are you gonna think it's gonna keep running the next day, or you think it's gonna fade? You pretty much think it's gonna fade. So you kind of making your trades easier by looking at the past history, because you kind of know what it's gonna do. Nothing's 100%. I'm gonna tell y'all that now, but use it as a guide. You have to use it as a guide. That way you don't go in blindly. So yeah, the chart patterns, like this Jan keeps up a pattern of spiking big and selling off. Like that's what it does. And until it changes what it does, I'm gonna keep doing the same thing. I'm gonna wait till it spike big. I'm gonna short it and hold it. It keeps telling me that. So that's chart patterns and past history. And then you also got price trends like intraday. So it spikes up and then lower high, double bottoms right here. So you can put your arrow right there. It double bottoms. That's a strong indication that it won't break down. It's probably gonna go up. So that's what it did, making higher lows, until it tops out. So it keeps a trend, So that's what price trends are. And you also got the volume, where as y'all can see, the more the volume, the bigger the stock, performs. Like the bigger the move, the bigger the volume, the bigger the move. Volume kind of indicates longs. If it's very big, it kind of indicates longs. It can be short, but it kind of indicates longs. That's why a lot of shorts say, when the volume dies out, that's a good time to short, because there's no buyers, there's nobody interested in the stock, will kind of fizzle out for a fade. So that's what they mean by that. What else should I show y'all? I can also show y'all the time frames I use. These are the time frames I use. I use the 5-day 1 minute, 5-day 15 minute, 10-day 30 minute, on down. Now this is not my only chart that y'all see. I have like six screens. So I have these charts right here on my laptop, and then on my big screen I got these same charts, but in a different time frame though. So I may have this 5 minute, and then on my other screen I may have the daily, like the 20-year. So I can see different time frames without having to like keep pressing buttons trying to see what's going on. As y'all know, stock trading is quick, fast. You have to be on your toes, with trading. So I put myself in a benefit by having a lot of screens, so I don't have to waste time trying to go through all these charts and stuff like that when it's already set. So it's all about speed with trading, because you could miss out very fast. Also, what else do I do? Like I said in the other video, I'll show you how I really set my stuff up. I'm not gonna pull up Dash right now, but that's in another video. But that's basically what technical analysis is. I mean, technical analysis is like where a bunch of supply and demand is at. That's why stocks tend to stop where a certain price target is at. Like right here, see, it went up and came back down and held this level right here. So this is a key level right here. See, even back here, it's a key level. It won't crack this level. See, it keeps holding this 670 level. So there's a lot of interest right there. Until that clearly breaks, the longs are in control right here at this level. Now, when this breaks, the shorts are clearly in control, and it should head down to $6 if this breaks. So this is just a quick video about technical analysis. I could get more complex than this, but I mean, that's basically what it is. And you do need it for trading. And if you need any help or if you have any questions, just comment down in the comment section. And also, if you want to join the family, go to www.dcprt.com. And that's it for this video. I will be having more videos like this later on. Might have one tomorrow or in 2 days. So stay tuned. Much love. And I hope all y'all crush it next week, because I will. Let's get it. Peace.